Today we're going to take a look at another one of Jet Motors master kits. We get a lot of requests for this particular master kit because when you need to replace the carburetor on your old A-Series engine, it can be a real, questionable thing between twins, Webers, SUs, which carburetor works, which doesn't. Well, after 37 years of messing around with these little cars, this single 1.75" HIF 44 is the answer. This is the perfect combination. It's as simple as a perfume mister on a perfume bottle. That's all this really is. This is as simple as it gets. So let's take a look at this master kit from Jet Motors. A single 1.75" HIF SU carburetor, 44 is millimeters for 1.75 inches. So what you get in this entire kit is a brand new carburetor, not a rebuilt carburetor. I am done with rebuilt carburetors, to be honest with you. I found hairline cracks in some, and some I just couldn't tune, and they just drove me up a wall. When I put a brand new carburetor on, no problems. It's just super easy, bolt on, ready to go. We replaced the dashpot spring in here with a red spring. We start out with a BFM needle. Most of the carburetors engines we put these carburetors on are a tuned 1275, and that needle is just about right for that. You get the genuine K&N air filter, not a knockoff, all right? A vacuum advance line. We custom make these out of 5/16 nylon and silicone ends, sort of your connectors, if you will. We use a special tuning throttle cable. These are ST special tuning throttle cables. They're silky smooth and they run at even a hard kink. We also modify the choke lever to accept the choke cable. We put the choke cable clip on the abutment bracket. We even modify the carburetor phalonic spacer, and I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but this spacer normally is about a 1/2 inch thick, and we found that they hit the firewall, the float bowl gets damaged, so we already cut these for you. We cut them in half, and that is the perfect length. We're using an alloy intake manifold. We include all the nuts and bolts. We assemble this entire carburetor for you. We even pre-adjust the idle mixture to get you started in the ballpark. So again, this is the ultimate in intake assemblies. It's super easy, it's bolt-on, it's ready to go, and it is available at jetmotorsmini.com under the Jet Motors Master Kits tab. Go check us out.